Are you interested to know what you can buy for around $600,000 in Overland Park, Kansas? If so, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you 3 amazing homes in some of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Overland Park: Amesbury Lake, Southpointe, and Wilshire South. So whether you're looking for a home with a private lake, a new construction community, or an established neighborhood with mature trees and charm, this tour is going to show you just how far your money will go in one of the best cities to live in the U.S. Welcome back to Living in Kansas City. I'm Cheryl McCormick, a real estate agent with the Rob Ellerman team at ReeceNichols Real Estate, which is the #1 real estate team in all of Kansas City. I absolutely love educating and helping buyers and sellers make the best real estate decisions. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button for weekly videos on Kansas City real estate, market updates, and neighborhood spotlights. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in Kansas City, reach out. I would love to help. According to Realtor.com, as of March 2025, the median list price for a home in Overland Park is just over $650,000, and the median sold price for a home in Overland Park at that same time is right at $450,000. And today we're exploring what you can buy in Overland Park in that mid-price range of just around $600,000. This is a pretty challenging price range to shop in Overland Park, as there are only currently 8 properties for sale in Overland Park in that price range, with another 14 slated to come to the market soon. Homes in this price range tend to sell very quickly and quite often for over asking price. So let's get out there and see what $600,000 buys you in Overland Park. Our first stop is Amesberry Lake. This beautiful community features beautiful homes, walking trails, and a peaceful setting centered around a small community lake. It has a great location on the west side of Overland Park, just north of 143rd between Quivira Road and Flum Road. Amesbury Lake has a quiet, peaceful setting while still being close to all of the shopping and dining that Southern Overland Park has to offer. The home we're looking at here is currently listed for sale at $580,000. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it's a 1.5 story with a 3-car garage. It has 2,809 square foot finished upstairs and 462 square foot finished in the basement. It was built in 2001 and it is a great spacious home. So why do people love Amesbury Lake? Well, first, it's a private neighborhood lake and it has walking trails. It has a great community feel with highly rated schools. It's located in the Blue Valley School District, which is the #1 ranked school district in the state of Kansas, and it's also a highly ranked district in the entire nation, according to niche.com. It also offers a great location close to schools, and it's only minutes from shopping centers. So let's go take a drive around Amesbury Lake to see what you think. Well, what do you think so far? Could you see yourself living here? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. Next, we're moving on to the far south part of Overland Park to a newer community, Southpointe. This is a newer master plan community with gorgeous homes, top-tier amenities, and quick highway access. It's located near 183rd and Flum Road. This community is almost completely built out and has been a hot-selling area as it's one of the most affordable new homes communities in Overland Park. The home we're showcasing here in Southpointe is currently listed for $609,000. It features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it's a 1.5 story with 2,458 square feet finished and a full unfinished basement for future expansion. It was built in 2021 with high-end finishes and shows like a new construction home. So why do so many people love Southpointe? Southpointe offers new or newer homes at a more reasonable price than many other new Overland Park communities. Also, people love its many amenities, including a community pool, a clubhouse, and walking trails. And even though it's located pretty far south, there is new shopping and dining developments coming soon. And it's also not very far from the 159th Street shopping corridor. If you're looking for a move-in ready home with all of the latest features, this could just be your dream home. So let's go take a drive around Southpointe to see what it offers. So, what did you think of Southpointe? Drop a thought in the comments and let me know your thoughts. And now for our third home, we're going to head back north a little bit to Wilshire South. If you're looking for an established neighborhood with mature trees, large lots, and beautiful custom homes, this is the one you've been waiting for. Wilshire South is located south of 143rd Street between Quivira and Schweitzer Roads, so it's close to all of the conveniences of Southern Overland Park. This home that we're looking at here is currently priced at $615,000. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full and 2 half baths, and it's a 2-story home that was built in 1999. This home has 2,957 square feet finished on the main 2 levels and another 500 square feet finished in the basement. It's been well maintained with many new windows, new carpet, and even an updated HVAC system, and is located within the #1 ranked Blue Valley School District. So why do people love Wilshire South? Well, the homes sit on larger lots, and most of the homes were custom built with many high-end features. It's a quiet, established neighborhood, and it has lots of character. It's also close to Blue Valley schools, parks, and golf courses. If you love a classic timeless home with space to spread out, Wilshire South is a great option. So now let's go take a drive around Wilshire South. So there you have it. 3 incredible homes in Overland Park, all for around $600,000. Which neighborhood was your favorite in this price range? Was it the Amesbury Lake on the southwestern side of Overland Park? Or do you prefer the newer homes in the far south Overland Park location of Southpointe? Or did you like the character of the homes in Wilshire South on larger lots? Let me know in the comments below. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Overland Park or really anywhere in the Kansas City area, reach out. I would love to help. I would love to help you find your perfect home in your perfect location at your perfect price point. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Kansas City real estate insights. So whether you're planning to move in 9 days or in 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. All of my information is in the description below, or just click on the QR code to schedule a meeting so that I can help you make your move to Kansas City or within the Kansas City area a smooth and easy one. So until next time, this has been Cheryl McCormick from Living in Kansas City signing off. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.